Machine Learning Interview Practice Questions. Set 1. Question 1. What is the main advantage of using ensemble methods? A. Improved performance through combining multiple models. B. Faster training time. C. Less data requirement. D. Easier to interpret. The correct answer is A. Improved performance through combining multiple models. Ensemble methods like boosting and bagging improve model performance by combining several models. Question 2. Which technique is used to handle imbalanced datasets? A. Oversampling. B. Underfitting. C. Dimensionality reduction. D. Normalization. The correct answer is A. Oversampling. Oversampling generates additional samples for the minority class to balance datasets. Question 3. What is the purpose of using activation functions in neural networks? A. To prevent overfitting. B. To introduce nonlinearity. C. To speed up training. D. To scale data values. The correct answer is B. To introduce nonlinearity. Activation functions introduce nonlinearity to help neural networks learn complex patterns. Question 4. Which of the following is a hyperparameter in machine learning? A. Model weights. B. Learning rate. C. Predicted value. D. Input features. The correct answer is B. Learning rate. The learning rate is a hyperparameter that controls the step size during training. Question 5. What is the primary difference between regression and classification? A. Regression predicts continuous values. Classification predicts discrete labels. B. Regression uses supervised learning. Classification uses unsupervised learning. C. Regression is faster than classification. D. Regression involves clustering. Classification involves prediction. The correct answer is A. Regression predicts continuous values. Classification predicts discrete labels. Regression predicts numerical values. Classification assigns categories or labels to data. Question 6. Which machine learning algorithm is used for dimensionality reduction? A. Decision trees. B. K-means clustering. C. Principal component analysis. D. Random forest. The correct answer is C. Principal component analysis. PCA reduces the dimensionality of the data while retaining essential information. Question 7. What is the main goal of cross-validation? A. To evaluate the model's generalization ability. B. To tune hyperparameters. C. To reduce training time. D. To split the data into training and testing sets. The correct answer is A. To evaluate the model's generalization ability. Cross-validation helps to assess a model's ability to generalize to unseen data. Question 8. Which metric is best for evaluating a classification model in an imbalanced dataset? A. Accuracy. B. Precision. C. Recall. D. F1 score. The correct answer is D. F1 score. F1 score balances precision and recall, making it useful for imbalanced datasets. Question 9. What does the term underfitting mean? A. The model performs well on training data but poorly on test data. B. The model performs poorly on both training and test data. C. The model is too complex for the data. D. The model has too many parameters. The correct answer is B. The model performs poorly on both training and test data. Underfitting occurs when the model is too simple to capture patterns in data. Question 10. Which method is used to avoid overfitting in neural networks? A. Adding more data. B. Increasing model complexity. C. Using dropout. D. reducing the number of features. The correct answer is C, using dropout. Dropout helps reduce overfitting by randomly disabling neurons during training. Question 11. Which of the following is an example of a generative model? A. K nearest neighbors. B. Naive Bayes. C. Support vector machines. D. Linear regression. The correct answer is B. Naive Bayes. Naive Bayes is a generative model that learns the data distribution to generate new data. Question 12. What does learning rate refer to in machine learning? A. The number of epochs during training. B. The step size for updating model parameters. C. The number of features used. D. The amount of training data used. The correct answer is B. The step size for updating model parameters. The learning rate controls how much the model adjusts parameters during each update. Question 13. Which of the following is a benefit of using deep learning? A. It requires fewer training samples. B. It automatically handles feature extraction. C. It is always faster than traditional methods. D. It needs manual tuning of every hyperparameter. The correct answer is B. It automatically handles feature extraction. Deep learning models automatically extract features, reducing the need for manual feature engineering. Question 14. What is the purpose of using regularization in machine learning? A. To increase the model's complexity. B. To prevent the model from underfitting. C. To prevent the model from overfitting. D. To optimize the learning rate. The correct answer is C. To prevent the model from overfitting. Regularization techniques like L2 regularization reduce model complexity to avoid overfitting. Question 15. Which algorithm is used for outlier detection? A. K-means. B. Isolation forest. C. Logistic regression. D. Support vector machines. The correct answer is B. Isolation forest. Isolation forest detects anomalies by isolating observations in feature space. Question 16. What is the goal of reinforcement learning? A. To classify data based on labeled examples. B. To make sequential decisions to maximize a cumulative reward. C. To predict numerical values based on data. D. To learn features from unstructured data. The correct answer is B. To make sequential decisions to maximize a cumulative reward. Reinforcement learning aims to learn actions that maximize cumulative rewards over time. Question 17. What is the purpose of using a learning curve? A. To evaluate models' training time. B. To assess models' generalization ability over time. C. To tune hyperparameters. D. To visualize model architecture. The correct answer is B. To assess models' generalization ability over time. Learning curves show how performance improves as the model trains on more data. Question 18. Which model is typically used for time series forecasting? A. K-means clustering. B. ARIMA. C. Support vector machines. D. Decision trees. The correct answer is B. ARIMA. ARIMA models are specifically designed for time series forecasting. Question 19. What is a kernel in the context of support vector machines? A. A function that transforms data into a higher dimension. B. A hyperparameter that tunes the learning rate. C. A feature selection method. D. A method for regularizing the model. The correct answer is A. A function that transforms data into a higher dimension. Kernels map data to a higher dimensional space to enable linear separation in SVM. Question 20. Which technique is used to prevent overfitting in deep learning? A. Early stopping. B. L1 regularization. C. K-fold cross-validation. D. Decision trees. The correct answer is A. Early stopping. Early stopping halts training when performance starts to degrade on the validation set.